Take the rectangle tool, with no stroke and fill color of your choice. Make a narrow long rectangle. This will be the gap between the weaving elements. Make a copy of the rectangle by Shift plus Alt. Shift is used to align the shape. Change the fill color of the second rectangle. And drag the second rectangle to make it wider. Select all. By Shift-Alt, make a copy of both the triangles and align them. Click Ctrl-D 4 times to get 4 copies of these rectangles. Now we have 6 rectangles in total. Select all. And click Ctrl+C to get the copy, and then click Ctrl+F to paste it in front. Hover the cursor on any end of the shape and drag it down to rotate. Holding down the Shift key will help it to rotate in 45 degrees. Select all, and go to the Shape Builder tool. Select a different color, then click Hold and drag to connect shapes as in the reference pic on top. Change the color of the fill again for the horizontal strips, and follow the pattern. Shape Builder tool still selected, hold Shift plus Alt keys and drag along the area you want to delete. The quicker way of doing the same is to use the Magic Wand tool. First click on the brown shape, then press and hold the Shift key and click the dark brown color. This will select both the light and dark brown color at once. Now press the Delete key. Drag your design in the swatches window. Delete everything from the artboard. Double-click the swatch we just created to edit the pattern. Select the title type to grid. Link the width and height, which will help to retain their proportion. Click the height bar and click down arrow key to reduce the spacing, and no gap left. If you want to change the color, go to Magic Wand tool. Click all the blue shapes from the square in the center, and change the color. Now select the green shape, and change the color. Select all. Make the stroke color black, and make sure the Align Stroke option is set to the center. Clear the artboard, and make a square of 500 by 500 point. Align it. Change the fill with the swatch we just made. Make a copy of it by going to Object or by Ctrl-C and paste in front by Ctrl-F. Change the fill color of your choice, then right-click. Arrange. Send back. Your design is ready. You can either scale or rotate it by right-click and make changes. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.